Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can change the default browser on your Android mobile. In the other video I have shown you how you can change the default browser on iPhone, and this is on the Android mobile and this is nothing mobile. See, I have in situation like I got a link on the WhatsApp and it is opening in some other browser, but I want that link to be opened in the Chrome browser. For that, what you need to do is you need to click on this Android phone settings. Okay, so under the Android phone settings, scroll down until you see this app option called apps here. See, click on the apps. So under the apps you'll see an option called, see here, there is an option called default apps. Click on this default apps, and the first option here is browser app. Tap on this. See, right now on my mobile there is only one browser, so there is no Opera or there is no Mozilla Firefox or something like that. That's the reason in the default browser app it is showing only Chrome. Say for example, if you have like Opera or Mozilla Firefox, you will have all the list here, and you need to change the radio button to your preferred default browser app. In this way you can change the default browser app on your Android mobile. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.